All right, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the house with the Kirby Lambert JVO Collaboration Framelock here with me for a quick review. But don't forget to like, subscribe, leave me a comment down below in the comment section. Let me know what you guys think about this unique beauty. Yes, because this is a one-off. You will never see again, I don't know, for now. Look at this, a frame lock from Kirby Lambert and JVO. Beautifully done compound grind. Look at this handle, very cool titanium slabs. These are like blasted stainless steel lock face insert, over travel lock bar stabilizer in zirc, matching the pivot collar, the clip, the back spacer, and the thumb disc. So pretty cool zirc accent for this beast of a knife. External cut-out relief for the lock bar. Look at this thickness of the slabs. Very strong retention for the clip, gorgeously ergonomic for the hand. This thing, it's just fantastic. And this kind of like harpoon, look at this, just boom, perfect for your thumb. This thing is like a shredder. This recurve is gonna eat through cardboard, for example, like crazy. Look at the grind, for example, just like it's insane. Hand rub satin. Look at this. Just gorgeous wedge, harpoon, tanto, recurve, hollow grind. I mean, there's so much going on this blade that is just ridiculous. Very cool fit and finish. This guy, of course, runs on bearings, and the action is just this. And this is like, look at this. That's the sound this guy makes. Very loud, blasting, and when he closes, it's kind of like the Gentle Giant. You open this guy, and it's like, I'm in business. When you close it, you're like, all right, see you. And it was amazing, like just to experience this for the first time. This is a beast of a knife. It's not that big. I mean, the blade is 3.5 inches. The handle is like 4.5, so classic, but check this out. This fella, I mean, stock thickness, yeah. No internal skeletonization, yeah. Zirconium everywhere. It's going to translate into 7.34 ounces, which means this is a beast. It's a heavy blade, but guys, this thing in the hand feels ridiculous. It's so good ergonomically, and it feels like a beast, like super robust feeling knife. Great looking one, crazy action, and as usual, if you want to know more, you can check out my full-length review. And thanks for watching. Stay tuned.